Hello to all you wonderful souls. While we are navigating our brief journey between the eternities here in our schoolyard we call Earth, we here at Unstoppable Labs wanted to introduce you to our new application called Unstoppable. Unstoppable is a decentralized messaging application that goes directly from client to the blockchain and therefore is not possible to censor. Smart contracts are deployed, and by default, there is a public thread where anyone can post anything. One can post messages, files, or even live stream, so long as you have the gas in your wallet. This video will guide us through setup and posting your first message. To get set up, go to unstoppable-labs.com and download the executable file. Move it within a folder of your choosing, as other files will be created within the directory as part of the process. Also, place the key store file of the wallet you wish to use with this application within the same directory. Now run the executable and let the magic happen. You will be greeted by a prompt to agree to the terms and conditions. If you agree, simply type "agree" and press enter. You will then be prompted to enter the password for your key store file saved within your Unstoppable directory. Type it in and press enter. If you ran the application without a key store file in the directory, the application can generate a key store file for you. Next, enter a username and press enter. Usernames are self-selected, and appended to the username is the last several characters of your public address. By default, the application utilizes the Playground subchain on the Theta network, as it is virtually free to post on Theta subchains. Please note that using this subchain means one has to have a small amount of VT fuel in the wallet pertaining to the key store file saved within the Unstoppable directory. You will be asked if you want to use the default Playground subchain. Type yes to this prompt and hit enter. You will then be prompted as to whether you wish to use the default contract address on this subchain. We have put in a default contract for everyone to use. Type yes and hit enter. If you wish to deploy your own, type deploy, and you will be the admin of this new contract where you can change settings such as maximum file upload size. One can even create their own encrypted group chat. However, this is for a more advanced session later down the road. After doing these tasks, you will be greeted with a prompt to confirm all of your selections. Look it over and press enter if everything looks good. If you wish to change anything, you can enter the number corresponding to the item you wish to be changed and press enter. The prompt will take you through updating the item. For example, one can type 2 and press enter. This will enable them to switch to the Ethereum or Theta mainnet chains. In my case, I'm going to press enter because everything looks good. The application will then check if a database for the selected chain exists. If it does not, it will download and build it. If it does, it will update it. Once this is complete, you can press H to see all of the key commands. You will see pressing C lets one change the channel. By default, you are placed in the public chat channel. You will also see that pressing M will enable you to post a message. I'm going to go ahead and send a test message. Once the message is sent, it may take a few seconds for the chain to pick it up. To check, you can press the spacebar to refresh the messages on the thread. Look, there is our test message. The AI system comprises 3 components: AI moderator, AI helper, and AI chatbot. The AI moderator can be set to 0, which is off, or between 1 and 10, to adjust the sensitivity of censorship for offensive content, with 1 being the least sensitive and 10, the most sensitive. It can respond in 3 ways: public chat, private message, or ban message. Users can activate the AI helper by starting their message with *Ask AI as configured in the accompanying config file, and the AI will provide a response based on the user's query. The AI chatbot automatically analyzes the last 3 messages and replies in an unsolicited manner at intervals set in the config file. The AI services utilize API tokens on the Theta Edge Cloud, managed by the Smart Contract Admin. Not all users need to possess AI tokens for the system to function. Last item of note is that users can also create a custom block list to block messages of specific users, or enable a block list managed by the Smart Contract Admin. This was a rudimentary guide to get you going. If you have gotten this far, thank you and congratulations. We invite you to explore the other functionality of the Unstoppable application, and please provide us with feedback to info@unstoppable-labs.com.